Hey everybody, today we are going to be doing a super cute mushroom earring craft, and this craft is specifically to be made using all of your little broken mushroom beads. Granted, I'm pretty sure you can also just buy beads that are already just the mushroom cap. I believe I've seen those online before, but today I am using the caps from some broken beads. But let's just get right into the supplies. So the first thing, of course, will be the mushroom caps. And then you'll need some pearl beads. The real freshwater ones that are kind of oblong are the best in my opinion, but of course you can use whichever ones you think look the cutest with your specific beads. And then you'll need your findings. So you will need some head pins. You may need jump rings just depending on the look you're going for. And then you'll need your earring finding. I'm going to be using these little lever back ones. Now let's get into making these earrings. Also, as usual, I forgot to mention you're going to need your jewelry pliers. So I'm going to take my little mushroom cap. I'm going to measure up the little pearls to them just to see which one I think would look the best. So I've matched up my caps to my pearls. Now we're going to take our two head pins here, put the pearl on the head pin, and then put the cap on the head pin. There you have your first mushroom, super cute. Now we're gonna do our second one. So now we'll be turning these into our actual little charms. I'm gonna be using my one-step looper, but if you don't have one, you can use some needle nose pliers with the little cutty bit on there and just do it the way that you normally would. So for one of them, I'm gonna put it directly on the earrings, on the earring finding, and on the other one, I'm gonna use a jump ring just to see which one I prefer. So for the first one, I'm gonna do the jump ring method. Open up the jump ring, put on that lever back and the charm bead thing. Put our little mushroom guy on there. Close that up. And then for this one, I'm just going to ever so slightly open up the loop we made on our head pin. And then put the loop of the finding on there and close it back up. Okay, so here they are. And I think I like the one with the jump ring better. So I'm going to add a jump ring to the other one. Okay, so now I put them both on jump rings and I'm obsessed. They're so cute and fancy because they have those freshwater pearls on there. But that is going to be it for this video. Make sure to tell me in the comments down below if you plan on making these, and leave a like if you like these earrings, and make sure to subscribe to see all my future earring creations. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video.